Hello guys, in order to make your computer safer, you need to enter a password when logging in. Today, we will teach you how to create a password while logging into a computer as well as how to change the password when you want to change it. First, you click on the Windows icon, then select the settings. Here, you select the accounts. In this account, you select the sign-in option, where you will find ways to create security for your computer. We'll show you how to create a local account password. You click on the password, then select Add to create the password. The password generator pops up, and in the new password, you enter your password. Then re-enter the password in the Confirm Password box. In the password hint box, you enter a reminder, so when you forget your password, it reminds you to remember a password such as your name, the date of your lover, or something you like. Then choose Next, choose Finish. So you've successfully created your password when you logged into your computer. I'll restart the machine to log in again. After restarting the machine on the screen, you'll be asked to enter the password to log in. You enter the password and click on the arrow or press Enter to log in. If it's true, you're going to go to the wrong window, you need to enter it again. That's how to create a login password. If you want to delete or change your password, you do the same, go to the settings, then the accounts, and select the sign-in option. Then select password. To change the password, you click on Change, and the machine will ask you to enter the old password. You enter the old password and choose Next. This is the same way you create a password as you did at the beginning of the video. If you want to create a new encryption, do the same. If you don't want to leave a password again, you leave it empty, you do not create a password anymore, leave it blank, then choose Next, choose Finish to finish. So I've taught you how to create and change the password for your computer so that no one else can use it. If you see or like to share and subscribe to a channel to watch more videos, welcome and see you again in the following videos.